Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Render. Render is still testing the support of this broadening wedge on the 4-hour time frame chart, and on a weekly time frame chart, it is clearly rejected by this resistance of the rising wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Render token that I shared with my members almost 21 hours ago. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared almost 21 hours ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that Render was completing on the 4-hour time frame chart. And I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down. And once it will be entered inside this buying zone, then we can expect the next price reversal. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and it has completed this leg, the final leg for this guardline move. And now we can expect the next price reversal from here. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal guardline move. Even at that time, you can see it was completing the final leg. And this move was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down. And once it will be entered inside this potential reversal zone, then as per the Fibonacci sequence, we can expect the next price reversal. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line drop more down, completed the leg here, and once it was entered in this buying zone, then we had a very massive rally that was more than 270% rally on this 4-hour time frame chart. You can see within next few days it rallied more than 270%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bad move. And even at that time, you can see it was completing the final leg. And I told my members that we can again wait for the price line to drop more down, and once it will be entered here, then we can expect the next price reversal. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down. This time, it dropped down here, entered inside this potential reversal zone here. Then we had almost 40% rally and reached the sell target zone here. Now, let's move to the chart. And first of all, let me just show you this 4-hour time frame chart. And here we have a bit critical situation. You can see that for the past several hours, the price line is testing again and again this support of the broadening wedge. And for example, if it will break down this broadening wedge, then we can expect that it can drop down at the support of this bigger rising wedge pattern on this weekly time frame chart. And once it will start another price reversal from this broadening wedge, that is probably possible, because you can see whenever it is dropping down at the support, it is forming higher highs and higher lows as well. And if we just ignore this extra spike, then you can see every time it is forming higher highs. Therefore, if this price reversal will be started, then it can form another higher than the previous side. That will be approximately at $3.44 if the price line reaches here. Now, if we take a look at the longer time frame on this 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that we have already broken out a very big down channel. We had a very massive rally and formed this rising wedge pattern. And now the price line is getting rejected, even completely rejected by the resistance. We also had a bearish divergence, by the way, here as well. You can see that the price line formed a higher high here. This high was higher than the previous one. At the same time, you can see that the stochastic was not able to do so, and it was moving in the opposite direction, and it was forming lower high than previous high. So that was a quite clear bearish divergence, and the price then followed this signal, and now it is moving down towards this support of the rising wedge pattern. Once it will be able to break out this rising wedge pattern, that move can be very massive, by the way. And by the way, one move is still due. That is the target for this down channel. You can see we have already broken out the resistance of the channel. And the target for this breakout is here between $8 to $10. And once the price line will be able to break out this rising wedge pattern, then the target can be here. That will be approximately at $15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.